Hi guys, there are many gadgets that you may purchase for your kitchen. Some end up in the charity box after one use, and others will have you wondering how you ever got by without it. The blender is a timeless small kitchen appliance that will never go out of style. Whether your blender makes you smile by whipping up your favorite milkshake or helps you shake off a Monday with a stealthy margarita, it's a significant player in a small package. If you wore out your old blender and are in the market for a new one, we're here to help. Below, we'll guide you through our reviews of the top 10 best budget blenders. So, let's get started. Number 10, Magic Bullet Blender, Small. This budget blenders is here with the 6% price off. Now you can get it at around $37. The iCook 3-in-1 smoothie blender includes a 51.5 ounce glass jar, a mini grinder, and a mini chopper for mincing meat. It has 2 speeds and a pulse function. All detachable parts are dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time with your smoothie and less time in the kitchen. Users recognize this choice for powerfully crushing ice, making it ideal for smoothies. However, the blades are titanium coated, and there's a note from the brand to clean the parts quickly to avoid rust, so you don't want to put this part in the dishwasher. Many have also noted issues with the safety lock not catching. If you need a blender specifically for fruits and vegetables or to mince meat, the Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic, effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces and dips. 250 watts high-torque power base. The next is Number 9, Hamilton Beach Shakes. Now you can get it at around $22. The Hamilton Beach 51131 blender arrives near the end of our list, but it's a single-serve model with only 175 power watts, and it's the cheapest too. It has an ultra-compact design with a 14-ounce BPA-free plastic travel cup and lid. It's intended for on-the-go functionality. With one-touch blending, this single-serve blender is ideal for mixing up a shake or fresh fruit smoothie on your way to work or the gym. This blender is perfect for protein shakes. Users have noted that it doesn't handle frozen fruit well unless it's in tiny pieces. If you are a gym rat and need your protein fix, this machine is perfect for you. If you need this to double as a mini blender, you'll be disappointed. If you just need a little something for quick, single-serve use, this personal blender is compact enough to take to work or on vacation too. The next is Number 8, KitchenAid RKSB 1570 CU5. Now you can get it at around $100. The KitchenAid KSB 1570 OB5 speed blender includes a 56-ounce BPA-free plastic pitcher, a metal base, a stainless steel blade, 5 speeds, and a pulse mode. The control panel is backlit with blue LED buttons for smooth operation. This blender has a soft start feature that begins at a slower motor speed and pulls food into the blade before hitting the selected speed setting. For a budget blender, this model is a little pricey. Although the base is metal, the jar is plastic, and users note that it doesn't hold up well in the dishwasher and the blade rusts. It may be a design flaw that the blade base doesn't detach from the jar, it's all one piece. Fortunately, this blender comes with a 1-year limited warranty. If you need easy-to-read controls and quiet operation, this may be a choice for you. The next is Number 7, Black Plus Decker Countertop. Now you can get it at around $43. The Black Plus Decker Countertop blender includes a 40-ounce glass jar with a pour spout, 10 speed settings, a pulse option, and a 4-tip stainless steel blade. It has 550 power watts at peak performance and 350 blending watts for continuous use. All the removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. This blender comes with a low price and a well-known brand name behind it. It's still a budget buy, however, and weak compared to other models. Users indicate that it performs poorly in the ice crushing game. If you need a monster ice crushing machine, this is not your choice. While no blender is quiet, the noise may wake the neighbors, so if you're sensitive to sound, this is also not for you. If you need a simple blender handy for the occasional smoothie, milkshake, or puree, this may be your blender. The next is Number 6, Hamilton Beach Power Elite. Now you can get it at around $43. The Fokia 3-in-1 is a 700-watt mixer system that functions as a mixer, chopper, and grinder and has 4 stainless steel blades. It includes 3 containers, one for each function. The portable bottle is ideal for smoothies and shakes and holds approximately 20 ounces. The smaller cup works well for grinding nuts, seeds, spices, and coffee. The food processor will chop meat, ice, and frozen fruits and veggies. Notably, the smaller cup is for grinding and not suitable for liquid. The attachments and lids are plastic, although BPA-free, and may not hold up well in a dishwasher. Many users have indicated that the seams in the plastic split, causing leakage. However, this machine comes with a 1-year warranty, and customer service gets 2 thumbs up for its responsiveness. With more options than other personal blenders, this choice has a food processor that is ideal for making your own baby food. If this is an important option, this may be the blender for you. The next is Number 5, Oster 6812-001 Core. Now you can get it at around $60. The Oster Simple Blend 100 has a stainless steel blade, a 6-cup jar, 10 speeds, pulse options, 700 power watts, and 450 blending watts. It's easy to clean, as the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. There's also a to-go cup that allows you to blend directly in it. The preset selections are clearly labeled and user-friendly too. One downfall to this choice is that the base and jar are plastic. Fortunately, if you drop the jar, it isn't likely to break. However, avoid washing the to-go cup in the dishwasher, as it's been known to disfigure. Users also note that it's louder than many other models. If noise is a factor, this may not be the choice for you. Fortunately, it comes with a 3-year satisfaction guarantee and a 10-year all-metal drive limited warranty. It doesn't chop nuts or coffee beans well, but if you need a cheap machine for a smoothie or protein shake, this may be a decent choice for you. Overall, this is an average machine that will do the job just fine. The next is Number 4, Ninja Personal Blender. Now you can get it at around $60. The Ninja Personal Blender comes with 2 16-ounce cups with flip-top lids for the on-the-go user. The cups conveniently fit in most car cup holders. It's a compact model that blends 1 cup at a time and has 700 watts of power. It's designed for fruits and vegetables and will work well for shakes, smoothies, and juices. It's also easy to clean and the cups are dishwasher safe. If you love a thick fruit smoothie, be aware that you'll have to remove the top to drink it. The air hole in the lid is too small, and you may end up wearing your smoothie instead. The cups are BPA-free, however, the plastic may break with heavy use. It's also not designed to blend hot ingredients. Although it's a budget blender, it's slightly pricey for this list. However, if you are committed to a daily juice fix, this may be the perfect fit. The next is Number 3, Magic Bullet Blender, Small. This budget blenders is here with the 6% price off. Now you can get it at around $37. The Magic Bullet Blender comes in an 11-piece set to simplify a lifestyle on the go. It comes with 3 blending cups, a storage lid, and a flip-top lid so you can hit the road with your favorite smoothie or protein shake. It can also be used to grind coffee beans and froth your favorite coffee drink. It's easy to use and takes up little counter space. While it's ideal for milkshakes and light smoothies, it may struggle with a chunkier mix or ice due to its mere 250 watts of power. It's easy to clean, which is good because you'll need to clean it immediately after using so any stickiness won't dry in the base and clog it for the next use. It works well for a single use, however, if you need to make drinks for a group, this won't fit the bill. If you're searching for a small blender for fresh fruit smoothies or shakes, this may be the one for you. The next is Number 2, Hamilton Beach Power Elite. Now you can get it at around $43. Our runner-up is the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. It has 12 blending functions and easy buttons that include milkshakes, smoothies, salsa, and ice. The top has a pouring spout, and the glass jar, blades, and lid are dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. Although this is a simple, straightforward machine without extra bells and whistles, the 700 watts of power keep it out of the number 1 spot. Many users have noted that this one is loud, louder than a blender should be, kind of loud. It does come with a 3-year limited warranty, which is good because a few users have experienced smoking and a burning smell. For the price, this simple machine is a good choice, as long as you don't expect a high level of performance. The next is Number 1, Oster Blender, Pro 1200. Now you can get it at around $90. The Oster Blender Pro 1200 has 7 speeds, with 3 settings for salsa, smoothies, and milkshakes. It has an extra-wide blade with forward and reverse motion and offers 1,200 power watts and 900 watts for crushing ice. The glass jar ensures no stains and is dishwasher safe. It also comes with a 24-ounce plastic to-go cup when you want a smoothie on the road. A few users have complained about the jar leaking at the base. However, if you dismantle the blender jar to clean it thoroughly, it has to be put back together precisely or it will leak, making the process awkward at best. Additionally, the base is plastic and replacement parts are non-existent, making this a point of contention with certain users. However, unlike most cheap blenders, this one has an all-metal connection between the base and the jar. The price, the wattage, and the options on this blender make it our top choice, and we believe it's one of the best cheap blenders for smoothies this year. So this is the best option for you to buy.